Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to post Instagram stories on desktop. So if you go to instagram.com on your computer and then click on create, as you can see you have only these two options. So you have to post and go live. Now if you want to post stories, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on these three dots button, the three dots in the top right corner, and then simply go to more tools and then go to developer tools. Now here what you're gonna have to do is simply click on this icon, and then you're gonna have to make sure that you select the iPhone any of these, and then what you're gonna have to do, so you're gonna have to refresh this page, and then as you can see you can add story now. So simply click to add story, and then you're gonna have to simply choose your videos or your photos, and basically that's how you can post Instagram stories on computer. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.